of Mount Everest. I've sailed the 7 seas. I've shared the stage with all the best. Lot of good it did for me. I've walked the wall of China, walked till my feet were sore. Came home to
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 2022 fall home tour. We finally have everything all decorated for fall, and I actually have a couple more projects that I'm going to be working on, so stop back by next Sunday. I'm going to be doing that cutting board wall in the kitchen. Some of the stuff is still in the mail, so I'm waiting on that. But almost all of our fall decor is out, and it's so cozy and homey, and I'm loving it. If you're new here, I always go for the rustic glam look. I like the traditional fall colors. Mixed with lots of wood elements and a few glam pieces sitting around like mirrors and mercury glass, and also lots of warm lighting. So I'm super excited to share it with y'all today. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I love making videos about homemaking and decor and cleaning and mom life, so definitely subscribe below. I would love to have you, and if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But let's get this home tour started. So here in the living room, I added some throw pillows from Home Goods, and I'm loving that rectangle leather pillow this year. And for the center of the room, I wanted to keep it really clean, so I just set a glass pumpkin there from At Home. And then for the TV stand, I just added some garland from Michael's with some gold pumpkin string lights to make it feel really cozy. And I go into more detail about all of the decor and where I got it in my fall decorating videos, so I will link those below. And then I'll also link below my fall porch video that went live a couple days before this one. But I'm loving the way that our entry turned out in our living room. It's so cozy and still a little glam. If you've been following me for a while, you know we're about to make over our back porch. But for now, I just stuck our bench from our front porch on the back porch, and I added a pumpkin pillow and some purple mums just to make it feel a little cozy back there. And now we're headed into the kitchen nook. I just added this basket to our little table so that I can scoot it out of the way really easy when we go to eat dinner. And I added a vase with some fall leaves and a cozy candle and a lantern. And then for the hutch, I added lots of glam pumpkins and copper cups and amber glass to make it feel really warm and cozy. And then for the top, I just added some leaves in a basket with a rustic pumpkin and a rolling pin. Now headed into the heart of the kitchen, I added a K-cup holder full of Starbucks coffee, and I'm actually thinking about doing a full-blown coffee bar here soon because I'm ready to switch up the way that I do my coffee in the morning. I will definitely be sharing that in a video probably in September. But for the corner, I always like to have a focal point here, so I set a lamp on that wood stump with a cozy fall candle, a rustic pumpkin, and some fall florals in the pottery. And then I just set out some muffins on that sweet gold cupcake tray that I found at HomeGoods. And I also created a fun little stoveside caddy this year with a wooden tray that I found at the Little Rock Vintage Market. And I set some wooden spoons there with salt and pepper, some fall florals, and a pumpkin. And it feels really cozy in our kitchen. Okay, I wanted to stop real quick and thank ButcherBox for sponsoring today's video. By now, you know Will and I love ButcherBox. It's high quality meat delivered straight to your front door. And I know I've told y'all this a million times, but grocery shopping with baby Oliver is so hard. So anything that I can get delivered right to my front door is so convenient, and we love it. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what we got in our box today. I'm also going to be cooking a meal with some of this meat tonight, which is why I wanted to introduce ButcherBox to you. We love it. It's so convenient. And I'm going to show you a really yummy recipe towards the end of this video. It's called bean casserole, and it's a family recipe, kind of a weird name, but it is so delicious. So I'm excited to share that. But also, if you use my link in my description box today, you'll get the whole 30 bundle with your first box, which is 3 pounds of chicken breast, 2 pounds of ground beef, and a pack of bacon, all for free in your first box. So make sure to click the link below and get signed up for ButcherBox today. But for our box today, we got a pork butt, and I'm super excited to use this in the crock pot and make some barbecue sliders. I'll probably be doing that in a video here soon. We also got their chicken breast. We always go with the chicken breast. It is so convenient and it's delicious. We use this in like all of our recipes. We also got 3 packs of bacon that I already put up. We love their bacon. It is so delicious. We even make it on the Blackstone some days, and it is so good. And then we also got some filet mignon. Huge fan of this. Y'all know that by now. I say it all the time. And then a pack of burgers. These are super convenient because they're frozen, but when you want to cook them, you can just pull them out of the bag and slap them in a pan, or you can stick them on the grill and they're ready to go. Super easy dinner, and they're really delicious. And then we also got some ground beef. Their ground beef is so good, and we're going to be using that in our recipe tonight. ButcherBox sources from farmers and fishermen who meet the highest standards for quality. You choose your box and delivery frequency. They offer 5 boxes, 4 curated box options, as well as the popular custom box, so you get exactly what you want and your family loves. They ship your order frozen at peak freshness and packed in an eco-friendly 100% recyclable box. And then you enjoy high quality meat delivered to your door, and you have so much more time for amazing meals with friends and family. Their mission is ButcherBox believes in better. 100% grass-fed, grass-finished beef, free-range organic chicken, pork-raised, crate-free, and wild-caught seafood. You can trust that the high-quality meat you put on your table is better for you and your family, the farmers, the animals' welfare, the businesses involved, and our planet. Sign up today and get 2 pounds of ground beef, up to 3 pounds of chicken breast, and 1 pack of bacon for free in your first box. Even if you're not starting a September Whole 30, it's an amazing deal and you won't want to pass it up. And thanks again to ButcherBox for sponsoring today's video. Okay, here in the bedroom, we added some cozy throw pillows on the bed from HomeGoods, and of course our cozy fall flannel sheets from Target last year. And then I just added some Michael's garland, the same Michael's garland that we have on our TV stand, and some little acorn string lights from Michael's. And y'all, this is my favorite room in the house. So warm and cozy. Over here on this side of the room, I did a little DIY on our faux fireplace, and that is in my Fall Clean and Decorate Part 3. And then I have a cozy fall playlist going on the TV. I also added some fall florals to the dresser and fireplace, as well as some pumpkins. And at night when we turn the lights off in here, all of the string lights and fall signs glow, and it's perfect. Okay, we are at it again with another one of my mom's recipes from this cookbook. She got all 5 of us kids a cookbook for Christmas one year, and it has been life-changing. These are all the recipes that we ate growing up, but this was one of my favorites. This is bean casserole, and it sounds weird. It's from my grandma, but it's really good. It's got hamburger, onion, macaroni noodles, the shell noodles, pork and beans, tomato soup, and water, and that's it. It sounds really simple, and there's no seasonings, but it's delicious when it's all cooked, and then you just put some shredded cheese on top and bake it, and it is phenomenal. This is the other half of the recipe, and once again, I'll leave this in the description box below so that y'all can try it if you want to, but let's get started. One thing I love about my grandma's recipes are they almost always start with browning ground beef and onion together, and this smell just feels like home to me. And so that's what we're going to start out with here. We're also going to boil up some shell noodles and then mix all of this together with a can of pork and beans and then pour the tomato sauce over the top. I will usually salt and pepper the meat as it's cooking, but nothing other than that. And then I just cover it in shredded cheese and bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. And this is such a delicious comfort fall dinner. I will leave the recipe in my description box below. But that's going to be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed and got lots of cozy fall inspiration. I still have lots of fall projects coming, so definitely stop back by next Sunday to see what we do with that main wall in the kitchen. But I will see y'all later. Bye!